and welcome to Draw Your Own Comic Strips. I'm Bruce Blitz. Now, can you imagine the task of having to come up with a new gag every day? Well, that's what you must do if you're lucky enough to get your comic strip placed in the newspaper. But don't worry, because there are ways to stimulate ideas. One way is regular characters. Now, ideas can be sparked simply by creating characters and highlighting certain aspects of their features. Like this fella's big nose and mustache. Or this little guy here, always wearing sunglasses and listening to music. But there will be times when you come up with a great joke, but it doesn't actually conform with your main character's personality. Well, don't just disregard the joke. Simply create another character, apply the joke, and add that new character to the strip. And this is how you build your supporting cast of characters. Now here's another way of stimulating ideas. Just general doodling. So this fella here, he's looking at the cheerleader, but there's a fella over here waiting to get him. Another great way to stimulate ideas is to look at your comic strip section in your newspaper. Or go to the library and look up on microfilm old comic strips, which is a lot of fun to do, by the way. And make up new original jokes based on old established concepts of humor.